Hello, my name is Jose de la Rosa Rodriguez, and this is my presentation for CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript, Problem 4, Network. And I'll walk through each one of the requirements for this problem. So requirement number one is for a user to be able to write a text-based post and post it in the page. So I'm going to go in and log in with my test user. I'm going to click on the create post. I'm going to type something, and then I'm going to click save, and it's been saved to the database. It's now displaying here at the top. Okay, so that is requirement number one. Okay, so requirement number two is clicking on the all post link should take the user to a page where they can see all the posts that have been posted in reverse chronological order and all the detail for those posts. So I'm gonna go to the application and I click the all post link. We can see that the very first post that it shows is the one that I did a few minutes ago, and everything is all this in reverse chronological order as well. And we can see that each post shows the username, the edit link, the body of the post, and also the number of likes. Okay, so that is requirement number two. Okay, so requirement number three, clicking on username should load the user's profile for that page. So I'm gonna go back to the application and I click on this test user, and it's showing the number of followers that user has, how many users that user is following, and it's also showing all the posts from test user 2 in reverse chronological order. Now I'm not signed in, but if I'm signed in and go back to that profile page, now I can see an unfollow button, and we can see how they follow and unfollow updates. Okay, so that is requirement number three. Okay, requirement number four, clicking on the following link should take the user to a page where you can see all the posts made by the users that the user is following. So I'm gonna go back to all posts. I'm gonna click on this on the following link, and we can see that's showing all the posts from users that I'm test user one is currently following. We just followed test user two a minute ago in the prior demonstration, and then we can see that test user two posts are showing here. Okay, so that is requirement number four. Okay, so requirement number five is to implement pagination in a way that only 10 posts show per page. So we're gonna go back to the all posts, and right now we can see that it's only showing 10 posts, and we see that we have a next button here. And we click the next button, it shows the next 10, and then click the next button, shows the next 10, and the next 10 until we go to the very end where we only have two and there's no next button anymore. And then we can go back all the way back to the front, and once we get to the first page there is no prior or previous button. Okay, so that is requirement and number five. Okay, so requirement number six is to be able to edit your own post, but not somebody else's post, and I'll be able to save that to the database. So I'm gonna go back to the old post, and you can see there's no edit button for the other users, but I can edit my own post as user one in this case. So I click the edit button, and I can just type this is an update, and then I click save, and we can see that this has been saved, and we can, just for the sake of argument, I'm gonna refresh to make sure that this is being saved to the database, and it has. Okay, so that is requirement number six. Okay, so requirement number seven, the final requirement, is to be able to have the ability to like and unlike a post. And so I'm gonna go back to the application, the all post tab, and I can like posts and unlike them, and we can see how the number of likes updates as I do, and also the like icon gets green once it's been clicked. And so just for the sake of argument, I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna refresh, and we can see how it stays as a one like. It's been saved to the database. Okay, so that is requirement number seven, the final requirement. Thank you very much.